The devastating effects of the pandemic are being compounded by ongoing outbreaks, by geopolitical events, and by deeply disrupted logistics. The travel and tourism industry accounts for approximately 72 million jobs worldwide. And today I'm raising awareness for every single worker that is deciding to go back to their workplace. And we're thankful, not just for the hours that are getting reinstated, but we're appreciative of their skill. But more than that, we're encouraging and we're cheering on their incredible spirit and for putting their shoulder to the wheel in a time of crisis. My name is Heidi. I'm the founder and the president for the Spark Group of Companies, and I'm asking you to join me in thanking every single frontline worker that you come across in your day, because every small task contributes to the rebuilding of our industries and to the rebuilding of our economies. Thank you so much for that. I am so proud of my team.